and before आपकी coffee ठंडी हो जाए, I have this little segment that I like to call sip and spill. Okay?
Okay.
I'll give you these instances. Okay? आपकी जिंदगी में अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, you take a sip, tell me the
Okay.
छोटी सी कहानी behind it,
Okay.
and we'll get on with it. अगर नहीं हुआ है तो we'll move on. Okay?
Okay.
So the first one. Take a sip if you remember the first ever acting assignment that you've received, first ever in your life, or first character that you ever played.
So not the first character, but the first time I went on screen. मुझे बचपन से एक्टिंग का शौक है, and I really think जिसको एक्टिंग का कीड़ा काट लेता है ना, तो जब तक वो फुलफिल नहीं होता, there is no matter what you might do in life, but you would always want to be an actor. तो मुझे बचपन से I wanted to be in a Ponds का googly woogly ad या फिर मैगी का ad. तो I went on दूरदर्शन, बच्चों का एक शो होता था जहाँ पे एक मैं पिंक बटरफ्लाई बन के गई थी, एंड वहां पे मैंने कुछ तो बटरफ्लाई की पोएट्री बोली थी, and I won the first prize for that, and was very disappointed because there was no physical prize. You're number one, and I was like, but prize का है, मैं तो award. So my dad, he got those action के जूते वाले होते ना, लल्ला it वो विशु में. So that is what he gave me. So that is, I think, one of the most cherished awards that I have got, and that'll be the closest to my heart.
Okay. Once again, a memory jog. Take a sip if you remember a dialogue from Kya Mast Hai Life, your first ever show. You remember? Oh my God.
My favorite was eyes roll karke buttonhead bozo. Zee. And
That's
fun
good.
fact, that show was written by Karan Agarwal and Tanmay Bhatt.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
Yes.
Good, you told me a trivia. Now I know. All right. Okay, take a sip. If you're often addressed as Golu by your fans.
And I love that. I absolutely love being called by my character names. What I love even more is when people call me Golu Di या Golu Didi. मतलब वो इतना प्यार लगता है ना. So makes me very happy. Also on the set of Mirzapur, जब हमें गाड़ियाँ आती थी ना, तो literally the crew used to say, अच्छा हाँ AKT, which is Kalin भैया, AKT आ गया, अच्छा गुड्डू आ गया, गोलू आ गई. So it just makes you believe in that world much more.
Absolutely. Okay, the next one. Take a sip if you have been height shamed so often that now you have a ready retort for anybody who does that to you.
Height shamed, yes, but thankfully it doesn't bother me. Never did, and I'm so grateful because the world will try to make you feel that you are not enough. लंबे हो पर दुनिया को प्रॉब्लम है, छोटे हो दुनिया को प्रॉब्लम है, तो दुनिया को प्रॉब्लम हमेशा रहेगी. तो इसलिए खुश रहो, secure रहो, and do what you want.
So the tallest co-star that you worked with?
Vicky Kaushal. During my first day with Mastan. And the thing is, he's almost 6'2". तो अगर पहली फिल्म में विक्की के साथ कल्याण, my husband चीता, he is 6. तो मुझे लगता है कि अरे फिर क्या फर्क पड़ता है. And I'm fine.
Okay. It is good. Okay. All right. Take a sip if you've had a really funny or a really nasty audition experience. Which one is it? Funny or nasty?
Thankfully नहीं रहा है. Funny ये था कि वो जो cliche दिखाता ना, when people go for an audition, when they're giving an audition, they laugh. So actually, I was a part of that. My friend Aman Uppal, he had taken me for my first ever audition. I had no clue क्या होता है, and मैं वहाँ बैठ के मैं हंसने ही लगी थी because when they were asking me and they said कि side profile दो, तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था कि ये क्या ऐसे सब क्यों होता है. But auditions are something that people run away from even now. I don't know many actors who really like testing because, acting is about imagining. तो audition में तो सभी कुछ imagine करना होता है. But again, fun fact, most of the things I have tested for, I have not got them.
Oh, really?
So, Masan, Gonkesh, Cargo, लाखों में एक, most of the things. If I audition, मुझे नहीं मिलता है. And बाकी सारी चीजें जो मिल गई हैं, that is without an audition. So now, in fact, if I test for something, I'm like, अरे यार ये तो नहीं मिलने वाला है.
Okay. All right. Take a sip if your first ever celebrity crush was questionable. Like first ever.
बहुत questionable मतलब?
Questionable मतलब थोड़ा odd crush नहीं होता है जो औरों का नहीं होता है. जैसे मेरा प्रियांशु चैटर्जी था.
Oh no, mine is not
तुम
questionable.
with
But I was very sure that we will get married, and that celebrity was Nick Carter from Backstreet Boys.
oh
और plan भी ready था that I'll be shopping somewhere in South X and Backstreet Boys वो आए होंगे दिल्ली में कहीं perform करने and obviously eyes will meet and love at first sight will happen. I wanted that way.
Nice. All right. Okay. Take a sip if you have ever received a love letter in your life, like proper handwritten love letter. Oh wow.
So my husband, Cheetah, he still leaves notes for me, जो कि मैं बचा के रखती. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Take a sip if you have ever made a fool of yourself, like proper paplu of yourself in trying to impress a boy. Could have been in school or college, whenever.
My husband, again, he keeps on laughing at me with things that I do, but वो तो daily का ही है.
Okay. Since we were on Kali Kali Aankhein and the song and the iconic song by Bazigar, take a sip if you have ever sung in public. Like proper public में गाना गाया.
Not the Kali Kali Aankhein, so I'm from Delhi. And I had gone to this place called Wimpy's many years back.
Yeah.
With my
I'm a Delhiite, so I know.
तो CP वाला Wimpy's में हम गए थे and वहाँ पे karaoke था, and this is maybe I'm talking about some 25 years back, with my sister's best friend and her parents. तो क्योंकि karaoke था तो I got excited. उन्होंने पूछा, my pet name nickname is Pinky, कि Pinky कुछ गाना है, and I said हाँ गाना है. They said okay पहले ये खा लो then we'll go sing. Thankfully they asked me कौन सा गाना गाना है. मुझे गाना था चोली के पीछे क्या है, without obviously realizing what it means. So वो डर गया. उन्होंने कहा कि अरे ये गाना, और ये बोल नहीं सकते कि नहीं गाना, क्योंकि I would ask कि क्यों नहीं गाना है, अभी तो गाने को बोला, क्यों नहीं गा सकती मैं. So उन्होंने बात टाल दी. But yeah, that was my favorite song, and my other song that I used to love dancing to was चने के खेत में. Then much later when I grew up and I understood the lyrics and I was like,
But I do know that you were a Madhuri Dixit loyalist back then, because both the songs.
True.
And since I mean, before I end this interview, since you mentioned this thing, मेरे दिमाग में अभी ये बात आई that earlier on things were pretty simple and sorted. I'm talking about censorship. Now everybody gets offended with any and everything. And now that we're talking about content on OTT, अब तो वो भी ban करने लगे हैं because they would not like a certain thing. They would think that there is some problem with, or this might be a problem, तो पहले से ban कर दो. Your comments there, this moral super censors that are there in the society and growing by the bunch.
मुझे सीरियसली लगता है कि अगर आपको कोई चीज सेंसर करनी है तो सेंसर योर ओन थॉट्स फर्स्ट. वो कहते हैं ना, द चेंज बिगिंस एट होम. तो पहले वो करते हैं, because it's very important to understand that when we are telling stories or showing a particular scene which might include maybe guns or violence or abuses, why is that scene there, or even a slap. For example, Masan में Sanjay Mishra देवी को, which is Richa Chadda's character, उनको थप्पड़ मारते हैं. And I think there was a problem with that, कि थप्पड़ कैसे मारा है, क्यों दिखाया है. But it is very extremely important to understand why that is being shown. And censorship का मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि as creators even we take responsibility with what we are showing. So please trust us and let's trust each other. And घर पे सब सही सिखाएंगे तो सब ठीक ही होगा. Let's not put this responsibility on everybody else कि अपने घर पे तो कुछ भी हो रहा है लेकिन बाहर तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए. So yeah.
All right. Shweta, well said. Thank you so much for doing this with me on Mirror Now, and all the best for Ye Kali Kali Aankhein. And may you continue to do the good work that you've been doing.
Thank you so much, Griha.